this art tutorial, you are going to need a plain white sheet of paper, a Sharpie or another dark marker for the outlining, a pencil if you want to sketch it out first, and something to color with. Let's get started. I'm actually going to jump right into using my Sharpie, but of course you can feel free to sketch it out in pencil first if you are afraid that you won't be able to erase. I've just learned over the years to roll with my mistakes. So in today's art video, I'm going to teach you how to make this really cute little Valentine's Day teddy bear. The first step is going to be starting with the teddy bear's face, specifically his muzzle. You need to find the center of the paper and then go up a little ways from there. We're going to draw a circle to be the teddy bear's muzzle or his mouth. Just get that circle as neat as you can. Again, you might have to sketch it out in pencil first to get it right. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect. Next up, we're going to make an upside down triangle towards the top of that circle to be his nose. I'm going to draw a short line going down from that. Now I'm going to go in and add the teddy bear's cheeks. So starting at the bottom of my circle, I'm going to make a curved line out and up. These are his cheeks, so you want to make sure you go out quite a ways so he doesn't have too narrow of a head. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Go out, curve up. Now I'm going to go up towards the top of my paper and make a curved line that kind of looks like a slight frowny face. That's going to be my teddy bear's forehead. I'm going to add some little ears, so I'm going to make a upside down U shape. I want it to be quite big. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, make the upside down U shape, kind of like a half circle. Now I can go ahead and connect the ears to the cheeks with a straight line. I'm going to make some oval shapes on the sides tilting in. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Try and get them as even as possible. We're going to go ahead and add a little circle in the middle to be the highlight, and we're going to leave that part white and color in the rest of his eye black. If you want to change up the eyes, you can. You can do button eyes, however you want to do it. Of course, it'll change the teddy bear's expression and make him look different and unique. I like to give my animals little eyebrows, so I'm going to put a little circle up towards the top of his forehead to be his little eyebrows. And we do want this to look like a stuffed animal, so a really easy way to make something look like a stuffed animal is to add these little sewed pieces. I'm going to add these little dashes all the way down the center of his head till I reach the nose. That way it makes it look like it's fabric that's been stitched together. For some added details inside of the ears, I'm going to make a curved line on the bottom of the ear and then put another half circle, kind of upside down U shape, so that he has a center part to his ear. I'm doing that on both sides. And just like that, our teddy bear's face is done. We are going to make him holding a big Valentine, so I'm going to start with his hands. A little bit underneath his cheeks, I'm going to do a big circle to be one of his paws or his hands. It's going to be holding a heart. And then I'm going to do another circle on the other side, roughly the same size. You can see I left a little bit of space in between his head and his paws. That way I can make the heart. To make the heart, I'm going to add 2 bumps right in the center. Might be a little bit tricky to get that right. Just do your best. And then underneath that, I'm going to come out and make a point. I want the center of my heart to line up right there. I didn't mean to draw that little line there, but that's okay. I'm going to cover it up later. For some added detail, I'm going to make some lace going around the heart, so I'm just going to make these little humps. I'm going to do that all the way around the Valentine. Put a little dot underneath each little bump. We're going to add some stitches to his paws, so I'm just going to do these little dashed lines across the middle. Next, I'm going to give my teddy bear some feet. So a little bit underneath his paws, kind of towards the end of the heart, I'm going to draw a big circle to be his one foot. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing to be his other foot. And to make them look stuffed, I'm going to add those dashed lines down the middle. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line underneath to be his bottom. And then I'm going to draw his hips. So I'm just going to do a curved line up and connect it to the Valentine, kind of in the middle there. I can also give him some shoulders, so I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines going down and out till they touch the Valentine. I want to add some flowers poking out next to him, so an easy way to do some flowers is to draw a swirl and then draw some bumps around it. And if you make the bumps at the bottom a little bit longer, it makes it look like a flower. I'm going to do 2 more of those because I always like to work in 3s. I'm going to add 1 more flower down here, so a swirl, and then some bumps all around it. Then I'm going to add a couple bigger bumps underneath that. Now I can add any kind of stems or leaves that I want to. For the leaves, I just make a curve shape and then put a line down the center. I can add some extra detail by adding some more diagonal lines that kind of look like the leaf's veins. Then for the stem, I can just put some curved lines right underneath the flower buds. We can also add some little hearts all the way around the little teddy bear, just as an added detail. And of course, you can write whatever you would like on your Valentine. I'm going to put Happy Valentine's Day. Now all you have left to do is to color it. I'm going to go ahead and make my teddy bear this kind of light brown color. You can color your picture however you want to.